I became an auto detailer, was cleaning cars for minimum wage. And I was in there complaining like, man, you're sweating, you're working so hard, you're cleaning. And I didn't like it. I thought it was unfair and unjust. And I was complaining and I was figuring out how to get out of the industry. And a small, still voice said, if you don't like it, why don't you do something about it? So from that, I challenged myself that if you don't like it, do something about it. So I rose from just a detailer to a manager to the top manager and then to the owner, right? So that's why I say I just grew where I happened to be planted. I own a business called Premier Unlimited. DBA is Premier Detailing and Wash. And basically we do auto detailing, we do window tinting and accessories, and then we do mobile power washing is our main 3 lines of business. We put remote starts, clear bras on the front, heated seats for the winter time. I mean, just a lot of different services we do. Our vision at Premier is 50 locations with 500 employees. So now we have to go from 40 to 50 employees to 500. So you have to 10x again. And what I'm finding is going from 5 employees to 40 to 50, I was able to touch everybody, right? But now going from 50 to 500, it takes a whole new set of resources. And that has been my challenge extrinsically, but I'm surrounding myself with great people and I know the time will come and it will work. What does it mean for me to be recognized here is literally equivalent to an NBA team winning a trophy, right? It's not the trophy that matters. It's the hard work that you put into it that no one saw, right? And then all of a sudden, in front of everybody, you're awarded something. And what it means to me is they're just simply saying, I see you, right? I see your hard work. Even though they didn't see it in the dark, right? Like late nights, staying up and going in over the weekends and all of this extra effort you did to get something off the ground, that was all done in secret and in dark. And then now the award just simply solidifies like, hey, encouragement to keep going, right? Like you are doing well. So you take it and you're like, hey, we can keep going. So it's really encouraging for me, and to me, it's a blessing. Corporate America is for some people. For me, I like being with the people, being on the ground level, visiting the shops, shaking hands, giving high fives. Like that's my mojo.